Ever felt that knot of worry in your stomach when moving your precious crypto? You're not alone. Transferring digital assets can feel daunting, especially when you're aiming for the enhanced security of a hardware wallet like the ELLIPAL. But what if I told you it's actually a straightforward process? Today, we're going to demystify transferring your cryptocurrency to your ELLIPAL device, ensuring your digital wealth is safe and sound. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly touch upon why you might want to transfer your crypto to an ELLIPAL in the first place. Unlike software wallets that are connected to the internet and therefore potentially vulnerable to online threats, hardware wallets like the ELLIPAL keep your private keys offline. This cold storage significantly reduces the risk of hacking and unauthorized access, giving you greater peace of mind. Think of it as moving your valuables from a regular bank account to a heavily fortified vault. Now, let's get down to the transfer process. The exact steps might vary slightly depending on the specific cryptocurrency you're transferring and the platform you're transferring from, whether it's an exchange, another software wallet, or even another hardware wallet. However, the fundamental principles remain the same. First and foremost, you'll need your ELLIPAL device and the ELLIPAL app. Make sure your ELLIPAL Titan or Mini is powered on and you've navigated to the specific cryptocurrency wallet you want to receive. Within that wallet, you'll find an option to receive. Tapping on this will generate a unique address for that specific cryptocurrency. This address is essentially the digital equivalent of your bank account number. It's where you'll be sending your funds. Pay close attention here. Cryptocurrency addresses are case-sensitive and can be quite long and complex. It's absolutely crucial to double-check and triple-check this address before initiating any transfer. A single wrong character can result in your funds being lost forever, and unfortunately, these transactions are usually irreversible. The ELLIPAL app will typically display this address in both alphanumeric format and as a QR code. The QR code can be incredibly handy, especially if you're transferring from a mobile app on another device. Instead of manually typing the long address, you can simply scan the QR code with the sending device, eliminating the risk of human error. Once you have the correct receiving address from your ELLIPAL, you'll head over to the platform where your cryptocurrency is currently held. This could be an exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, or another wallet application. Locate the withdraw or send function for the specific cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. This is where you carefully copy and paste, or scan, the receiving address generated by your ELLIPAL. Double-check every single character. Most platforms will also ask you to specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Before you finalize the transaction, be aware of any withdrawal fees that might be associated with the sending platform. These fees vary depending on the network congestion and the platform itself. Ensure you're comfortable with the fee before proceeding. After you've meticulously verified the receiving address and the amount, and you're aware of any fees, you can initiate the withdrawal. The transaction will then be broadcast to the blockchain network of that specific cryptocurrency. The time it takes for the transfer to complete will depend on the network congestion and the specific cryptocurrency. Some networks are faster than others. You can usually track the progress of your transaction using a transaction ID or hash provided by the sending platform. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, you should see the transferred cryptocurrency reflected in your ELLIPAL app. Congratulations, you've successfully moved your crypto to the enhanced security of your cold storage wallet. Remember, security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrency. Always be vigilant, double-check addresses, and never share your private keys or recovery phrases with anyone. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.